Hi, this is Erica, and this is the lab for week 2. Um, I'm gonna use some of these codes on Python and show it to you. So the first one is print. Okay, that's the first one. The second one. So I found out that this right here does not work for Python 3. It's only input, not raw input. Took me a while to figure that out, but I did. So what's your name? So I guess that's asking me, right? So I'm gonna answer my name is Erica, and I'm gonna say print. Hi. Um, Hi, Erica. Okay. The third one, I don't know. I'm doing something wrong here. I tried several times. Don't know how to make it work. Tried several times. Fourth one, same thing. Don't know what I'm doing wrong. I tried several times, but it won't work. It'll give me an error, and I even Googled the error and don't know what it is. Number 5, I just figured out how to do. Okay, so hello, Jack. Alright, that works, and it's nice. Number 6 I tried, didn't work also, but number 7 I got to work, which was pretty cool. So it's oh, sorry about that. Um, okay. Um, times what happened here? Let me erase it and start it again. I think I pressed enter by mistake. Grocery bill equals sum price fruit times my purchase fruit. Sorry about that again. um, Fruit in my purchase print. I owe the grocer. I owe the grocer 3.40. Okay. So this is just to show you that I could make some of these codes work. Did not make a few of them. I don't know why. I don't know how to do it. I mean, I'm trying. All right, that's it. Thank you.